Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Cross your leg and sit down nice and tall. Inhale, inhale, nice and tall, and exhale. So imagine as you inhale, you are gaining the energy, okay? Recharging energy from the earth. And as you exhale, spread it into whole your body. Every breath you recharge energy from the ground. And each exhale spread it wide to whole your body. So each breath you take, you are energized more and more. Okay, so now let's take tabletop pose. We're gonna do dynamic cat and cow pose. Okay, inhale as you do the cat, lift up your one arm. And exhale, bring it down. Inhale as arm. Exhale down. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale to roll. Inhale, arch. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale. Exhale, roll your back. Dynamically move with your breath. Create big range, large range of your motion. Two more. Deep inhale and deep exhale. And deep inhale and deep exhale. Back to center. Okay, now one leg up. We're gonna do lower lunge. Keep back heel up. Bend front knee. Inhale, exhale, open up your chest. Okay, you are opening your chest to receive energy and light. Shoulder blades together. Keep your sternum lifting up toward the sky. And gaze drifting slightly upward. Widen your collarbones, you are surrender, open to receive energy and light. And inhale, exhale. Now let's switch. Inhale and exhale for 1. Breathe in for 2. 3. 4. 5. And now release down. Okay, now lay down on your back. Let's take bridge pose. Inhale. And exhale, lifting up your back. And here, option. You can keep one hand on the belly, other hand to the heart. Keep 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. Press your heels into the ground. To gain energy from the ground, filling up to your chest, whole body. Raise your heart. After 5 deep breaths, slowly rolling your back, hips down to the ground. Here, we're gonna do camel pose onto your knees. Okay? Inhale, open up your chest even wider. And grab your toes. And lifting up the sternum toward the sky. So as if your energy through the earth to your chest, lifting up toward the sky. 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. And 2. And same time you are opening up. You surrender to receive energy and light from the sky. 4. And 5. Back to center. And sitting down. And again, slowly lay down onto your back. Try to feel the energy from the ground and slowly lifting up your leg. The energy from the ground through your body, through your leg, through your heels, and reaching toward the sky. Here, you recharge, you restore, and you rise. Now, inhale deep, exhale, and surrender. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!